closer to.
Dad, can I squish one?
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Kind of twist them like this. Grab onto them. There you go. Good job. You got it. Yeah, just kind of squeeze them and twist them, and the puffy stuff comes right off. Good job. I'll take half. You take half. Here. Finish that side up.
Okay.
Good job. Okay. Now we spread it out. All right, stand back now. Ready?
Yeah. Whoa. That's the ice.
Nope, they're cattails.
The cattail is this. When you break them, I'll show you. Oh.
Oh, careful, Zeke, that's probably not a great idea. It might flame up right in front of your hands there.
Okay. And pour this in. Oh. I just poured it in with
Drop it
this
right off
stuff.
towards you.
Going
Pull
to
it
stick.
back.
Oh!
There we go. Save the table.
Good.
That's a good fire starter, huh?
Yeah.